September 6th. This is Amba Ghat. So that's my magic shot. This is the second time I'm traveling to this place in Konkan just to take this shot. September 6th. This is the second time I'm going to my native place for this one dreamy shot which I want to capture via drone. Hopefully I'll get it today. But the interesting fact is that I'm going to the same route after a week. The same landscape is now seeing a lot of yellow flowering onto the plateaus and on the hills. It's so amazing that how drastically the landscape changes just in a week. There have been some showers in this week, a lot of cloudy days, a lot of sunny days right now. So if you can see it here, it's almost cloudy, sort of sunny, like we saw this landscape or this kind of weather a week ago. But now, earlier, the yellow flowering was missing. But now today you can see a lot of flowering. Check out these shots. Okay, so the magic is gonna happen pretty soon. So the thing is, this is the road, this is the main road, and people are going to walk through these rice fields from here. So that's my magic shot, and this is the second time I'm traveling to this place in Konkan just to take this shot. So we are about 10-15 minutes away from the magic. You're all set. I've got my camera, I've got my drone set up, so yup, stay tuned.